Hello, I'm Nicolas, the CEO of HappyWork, the company of the real estate software HappyMo. We provide the solution all around the world. We have many offices in Europe, and we have real estate portal reselling our solution in Asia and Latin America. We provide a big opportunity to the real estate portal to provide solutions compliant and plug and play with the real estate portal. You have opportunity to improve the quality of the data of the listing on your real estate portal by providing a solution to the real estate
Joe,
broker.
thank you for joining us at the conference. What I'd love to do is understand more about what the PropTech Group does.
So essentially the PropTech Group day one will be the three-way merger of the leading CRM provider in Australia and New Zealand, a business called MyDesktop, which we acquired from Domain, with the next generation in real estate software, complete real estate software in VaultRE, with an existing ASX listed business called Real Estate Investor, which targets residential retail investors in property. So essentially they'll form to become an ASX listed pure play technology PropTech company with operating vehicles, but also an investment vehicle for us to invest in early and mid-stage PropTech companies servicing Australia, New Zealand, and increasingly the UK.
Okay, so let's dive a bit deeper on this. Talk about MyDesktop. How, clearly most people in Australia would have heard of it, or most real estate agents in Australia certainly have heard of it. Is it profitable? How long has it been around?
Definitely. So MyDesktop was launched by Scott Wolf and Adam Campbell, two industry heavyweights in the real estate software business in Australia and New Zealand back in 1997. Fairfax or Domain Group bought that business back in 2005 and again in 2010. And the guys stayed with the business all the way up until 2016. They left in 2016. At that point, MyDesktop was by and large the biggest CRM business in Australia and New Zealand. They left and basically took the culmination of 23 odd years of experience and reinvented all of that in the Vault platform. Where Vault stands apart is Vault is not only a CRM system, it's also a property management system. So it's an all-in-one complete real estate agency solution. Bring the two together today and we have the undisputed leader in Australia and New Zealand with over 3,500 real estate agencies using the product. And we also have a presence in the UK.
Okay. Can you disclose revenues and are you profitable?
So last year we did close to $11.5 million in revenue and $3 million in EBITDA.
Okay. And so you're clearly doing very well in the CRM business. How do you plan to grow that business? And then we'll talk more about PropTech in a second.
Yeah, absolutely. So I guess the core attraction to CRM is that every transaction and every interaction that a real estate agent has with any external party eventually finds its way through a CRM. What that provides for us is a really strong platform for growth beyond what a CRM does. And as you know, CRMs in real estate are very different to CRMs in generic world. They're more than just CRMs. They're back office workflow management tools, all the way from trust accounting platforms to contract management to property sales transactions. So with a CRM, we have the ability to leverage off this 26% market share in Australia and add on PropTech Group products that offer a range of services beyond what a CRM will do that enable a real estate agent to improve the way that they run their back office. The way that we do that is through VaultRE's open API platform. So whereas historically most CRMs would often have a closed system environment where they would have some integrations, but they're at the behest of the real estate agent's request and the developers from opening up, Vault takes a different approach. It's an open API platform where we believe we can work with anybody and everybody. What that does is it unlocks the ability for us to have rapid continuous development and rapid integration with a bunch of players. So any new PropTech that comes up with a bright idea, anything from a chatbot to an automated calling service can be integrated seamlessly and easily within the VaultRE framework and platform.
Okay, so it sounds like the PropTech Group is going to do a few things. One is take the current VaultRE platform, migrate all of MyDesktop across to that as soon as practical. Secondly, take that VaultRE and go deeper into the Australian real estate and property management markets. Okay, and then the third thing is take that VaultRE platform, going into New Zealand, where you already have a presence, but go deeper, and the United Kingdom, where you have a very early stage presence. And then I guess the last opportunity is then to invest in or acquire other PropTech companies, either in Australia or overseas, and link them into the CRM system so that you can leverage the customer base into the new PropTech products.
Yeah, you're spot on. And I guess the strategy from a relationship point of view is to become the trusted technology provider for our real estate agents. And in doing so, they revert to us or defer to us for finding best of breed products. Now, those products we will build, we will buy, or we will partner with. So there's three pillars of growth. One is growth through product innovation, where we leverage off the existing interactions that a customer has through the CRM and add property management, add marketing, add so on, so on, so on. The second is that we grow the market, our market share through either acquisitions or organic growth. So the acquisition of MyDesktop gave it an instant market leadership in Australia. In the UK, however, we're starting from the ground up and knocking on doors in a traditional sales and marketing approach. Now, that doesn't mean that the UK won't present as a market where consolidation of CRMs becomes an attractive way for us to grow. One of the key benefits of being a listed business is we have access to capital. We have access to listed script to be able to grow the business, not only organically, but acquisitively through acquisitions into the markets that are core to us. As you mentioned today, it's Australia, New Zealand, and the UK. In the future, we certainly want it to be more of a global play.
Okay. And now at the moment, the PropTech Group's in the process of relisting on the Australian Stock Exchange. When do you see that as finishing?
So right now we have a shareholder meeting for the existing real estate investor shareholders to approve the transaction. That will be next week on end of September. Once that's approved, then we go straight into prospectus and capital raise mode. So we expect to be live certainly this year towards the back end of the year, roughly around November, to be trading on the ASX.
Okay, and then and you're then actively looking for investment opportunities at this moment.
Absolutely. We're actively looking for investment opportunities, particularly, I guess, in the short term, Australia, New Zealand, and the UK. But certainly, as you understand, with PropTech, there's technologies that have applicability in all markets that we can take from European markets, for instance, and apply them to Australia and New Zealand. So I guess with a call to action today is that we're open to speak with investors and PropTech founders around their business and see if we can accelerate the growth through the PropTech Group as an Australian entity.
Fantastic, Joe. I like what you're trying to do with the PropTech Group. Congratulations on bringing together MyDesktop, Vault, and Real Estate Investor, and bring it into to create the PropTech Group. And I think it's a fantastic basis from which to grow a very vibrant and fast-growing PropTech investment company. So well done, and good luck for the future.
Great. Thank you, Simon. It's exciting times. Appreciate that.
Hello, I'm Nicolas, the CEO of HappyWork, the company of the real estate software Happimo. We provide the solution all around the world. We have many offices in Europe, and we have real estate portal reselling our solution in Asia and Latin America. We provide a big opportunity to the real estate portal to provide solutions compliant and plug and play with the real estate portal. You have opportunity to improve the quality of the data of the listing on your real estate portal by providing a solution to the real estate broker.